Hey, what's up guys, it's DOODLE Clubhouse, and in this video we're going to draw Papa Pig from Peppa Pig. So we're going to start with his head. We're going to draw this curved line. It's going to wrap around to right about there. Then we're going to create his little pig nose. Put a circle right here and connect. There we go. We're going to create two little circles for his eyes, and then two dots on the inside. Next we're going to create his glasses. So two big circles around the eyes with a line in the middle. And then a line angling up. We're going to add his ears just like that. And then we're going to give him a little smile. He also has these little lines for his mustache and his beard. There we go. Now we're just going to put two dots in the nose for his nostrils and a circle right there for his cheek. We're going to create a big circle shape connecting to the head. And we're going to draw his hands. I'll actually make that a little smaller. There we go. And then one connecting to his body. We're going to create his little pigtail, just like that. Just kind of creating a loop. Just like that. And then we just have to make his legs. There we go. And we're just going to erase this line in the leg. And now we have the outline, we can start coloring him in.